to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Laura and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. So today we are getting crafty. We are turning into a DIY queen and we are going to be making some DIYs that I keep seeing on my TikTok. So the first one we're going to be doing is the beaded phone charms. I've seen those everywhere and I don't have as cute of beads, but we're still gonna make it work. The second DIY is just we are going to try and make a clay tray because why not? And then the last one is going to be a t-shirt DIY slash like thrift flip, where I'm basically gonna take a huge t-shirt and I'm going to make it into a cute summer top. So without further ado, let's just get right into it, and we're gonna start with the phone charms. So of course what you're going to need is beads. I've had these beads for so long. I always like shout out this video because it's my most popular video, but I've had these since I created my customizing my Air Force Ones video, and yeah, like I never used these, so I just thought that this DIY would be perfect. I also thrifted these beads the other day. They are really cute and they're just green, and there's like 2 different kinds on here, and I'm going to like cut them off and I'm gonna take the beads. And lastly, you're gonna need some sort of like wire or string. I'm trying to do this with supplies that I have here at my house, and I just have this like embroidery bracelet string, so that's what I'm gonna be using. So yeah, I don't think it needs to be too long, so I'm gonna say like this long-ish, and we're gonna cut it. Okay, and I'm gonna take my thrifted beads and I'm just gonna start taking them off so that I can actually use them, and then I'll do one from that angle and then I'll do a close-up. I'm actually gonna make a couple of extra of these so that I can add these into my packaging for my website for free. Last month I gave away the clay chunky rings, and those are really cute. I made that in a video in the past, and since I made so much, I just thought that why not, if you wanted me to add one into your package, then I would. So that's what I did. So I think for May I'm going to be giving away some of these phone charms, because with DIYs sometimes people don't want to make them, or they don't want to like buy them from someone else, or literally anything. Like maybe they're too lazy but they still want it. And yeah, if you're like supporting my shop and you would like to get a phone charm, you can have one for free. We're gonna finish taking these beads off and we'll get started. So basically I'm gonna put laur, and then I'm just gonna like fill up the sides, and let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting laur like how I said, and we're gonna like let that go to the middle, and then I'm just gonna fill up the sides. Very intricate work. I think I'm gonna have to in between each one. Okay, so I have my name on there. So cute. Okay, next I'm gonna try to make them like symmetrical. Oh wait, I also have pearls somewhere. So basically, a while ago I made a TikTok about how this customer who bought a bundle from me, she wanted this like pearl necklace and she'd been wanting them. So I made her one, so I have all this extraness, and I just remembered that I have some pearls left over. So I think what I'm gonna do is add a little green shimmery thing on both sides. Okay, I also have some green stars that I can add. Oh my gosh, it feels like I've done so much, but this all got done. Okay, cute. It's cute. Okay, here it is. So cute. This is mine. Now let's go make a couple more. Okay, so I just got finished with my phone charms. I love the one that I made for myself, as well as all the ones that I'm gonna list on my website for free. So each one of them says thrift, and I just made them with a bunch of different color beads, and they're so cute, and you can add them to your keychains, to your phones, you can do whatever you'd like. So just thank you for supporting me and thank you for shopping my website. So yeah, these are so cute and I'm so happy that I actually did this. Now we're gonna go to the easier DIY before we get to the harder one. If you guys haven't seen that TikTok trend already, it's basically where you take an oversized t-shirt. I have these two that I thrifted. Basically going to cut off the bottom of it, and then I'm going to also cut off the bottom hem. It's gonna become a really cool top and I am so excited. I tried this for a bundle and it looks so cute. Oh, let's just get started. Okay, so don't mind the messy floor. Basically, we're going to take this first top. I thought this one was gonna be cool because, I don't know, as you can tell, I have literally been loving everything green. So basically, you're gonna wanna take scissors that are better than mine because mine are trash. And you are going to cut off right below the armpit. Actually, I'm not sure. Okay, so obviously this one worked much better. Obviously you wouldn't wear a sweatshirt, but you could tie it like this. Pro tip, if you think you got a big enough shirt, get a bigger one. And also make sure that the material is stretchy. I didn't even think about it, but this one is really stretchy. I'm not gonna take the sweater off. So if you wanna see how it really looks, go look at my thumbnail. Okay, so our last DIY, I'm so excited to do it. I wanted to do it ever since I did my clay rings video. But basically, I'm going to be making a heart tray, but it's going to be the design that is like all over everywhere. I think it's like a heart tunnel where it's like each heart is just different colors and it's so cute. I have 3 different shades of brown here. So for this, what you're going to need is something sturdy. I think that this is okay. This is one of these like lap desk things that you can use in your bed. You're gonna need clay, obviously. This is oven baked clay. Oh, and then you're gonna need some kind of like clay tools. Okay, so now we have our clay. We're gonna roll our sleeves and we're gonna get to work. So what I'm thinking is to take a little chunk and then I'm gonna roll it into like a big long like snake, and then I'm just gonna like shape it into a heart. Also, just to make sure like it's not sticking, I think I'm gonna start like making it on here. This one isn't as soft. Get it warmed up in my hands, but then from there, that's when I'm gonna start doing the little tunnels. Okay, so I finally finished my bowl. It's definitely not perfect. I keep nicking it with my nails, but if you can't tell by my nails and by my phone case, I love this like pattern design that has just been really popular recently. I feel like this is gonna be a really cute tray for me to just put like some cute rings in it or something. I don't know. I still have to put it in the oven, but I just wanted to close out this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make phone charms. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying the TikTok shirt trend and also making this super cute dish. Be sure to like and comment and check out the rest of our videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.